Hi guys, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and I will show you how to achieve those amazing ombre results. So first of all, you want black tips painted and buffed with the top coat, and then you want some sponges where you apply neon pigments over them. So basically what you do is you take your eyeshadow applicator and then you start blending some beautiful colors on your sponge. Just keep adding them into a nice and pretty ombre, and then using the white French gel we are going to paint those nice design. So first of all, I want to have some sort of like a sun going on around it, and what you need to do it is paint like on letter C. Nice and slow. Now add some waves around it. I'm using the detailer brush. It is really easy to manage to paint nice and pretty design with it. Another wave. Keep the inside of the sun nice and clean. But outside you want to add as much volume as possible. Lots of waves in there. Once you're happy with that one, we are gonna paint some palm tree. I'm just doing first of all with lines which are bended. Once you know the simple shapes, things are much easier. And another one on the top. Now we need to thicken them out. So just keep adding some leaves. They start looking like a palm tree. Add some body. I'm starting with a small triangle, leaving empty space, and then keep adding more. Remember about those empty space. Very irregular. Now let's add some waves on the bottom. Again, keep those empty space. Tidy it up. And add another palm tree. This one is gonna go much lower. Make sure you place this one in between the previous ones. Add some leaves. And the body of the palm tree. They are so fun design to create. Once you're happy with the entire look, you have to cure it for exactly 60 seconds. Now I have just picked my sponge on a tweezer and I'm gonna touch it like this. Look what is happening here. We're getting a really beautiful ombre in a matter of the seconds. Take a dust brush and clean off the excess of the pigment nice and properly. Once you do that, we can apply High Shine No Wipe Top Gel just to protect our design. And look how pretty it has turned out. If you try it, hashtag Dorota Palicka, as I would be very happy to see it, your results.